If you're wondering how to create subtitles in DaVinci Resolve, then here's how to do it. First, you want to go and drag your files and media into your project. Then you want to go ahead and go to the effects at the top left corner and simply go to your toolbox and search for titles. Now from here, we have a lot of titles and options. So basically we can just drag this directly to our timeline and we can see the text right here. Now we can adjust this text by simply clicking this text, go to our inspector, and adjust and edit the text. We can also adjust the font size, the font face, the colors, and the tracking of the title, and to however what you like on your subtitles, depending on your needs and adjustments. And basically, you can also adjust the text for both the text or just the text alone, depending on the titles. And you can also see the font style right here, the font case, and you can also anchor and position, and you can even edit it into a 3D text. And that's how you can basically create subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.